Hello everyone, I'm Natasha Denona and I am so glad to be here today to show you a tutorial of a look that I've created using my brand new limited edition Triochrome Eyeshadow Palette. For this look, I have used only the bottom row and created a kind of a day to night multichrome look. I hope you will love it and continue watching. For the first step, I'm dipping the eyeshadow brush into Diatonic and buffing this across the lid. Next, with Garmon, I am defining the crease, moving up and down, following the natural shape of the eyelid, and then continuing to blend it upwards in circular motions. So this is the day look, and now I want to transition this into a whole evening glam. So first of all, picking Plutonium and pressing this into the inner corner, this will give a spot of color. Now I'm swiping Vertex onto the brow bone, just want to lift the brow and give some highlight to it. And to finish off this look, I'm using Color Flip, which is the multichrome pressed pigment eyeshadow from this row. I'm swiping this all across the lid using a damp eyeshadow brush, but you can also use your finger if you want to achieve a higher level of payoff. This eyeshadow shifts from fuchsia to champagne and to a green. This will give you the most futuristic and super sophisticated and interesting look to the eyes.